Good morning, student. Now, today, this chapter matrix algebra and new exercise 3.3. Then its topic is a transpose matrix. Transpose matrix, transpose of a matrix. First thing is what is the transpose matrix? Then transpose matrix now denoted by A dash, otherwise A raised to power T. For example, then now given is a matrix A is 2, 3, 5, 7 and find the transpose matrix of given matrix. So A dash is denoted by A dash. Now interchange row to column, column to row. First row 2, 3, that is now column is 2, 3. 5, 7, this is the transpose matrix. But now the again transpose, right? Then transpose to transpose, then again change first row 2, 5, first column and 3, 7. Then this is the equal to given matrix. So now the properties of transpose, first properties, then A dash and again transpose. So this is equal to A. Now the second property, any constant k and A matrix, and now the transpose of k, then constant is as it is, transpose is in matrix. किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज कांस्टेंट का ट्रांसपोज फाइंड नहीं होता. देन थर्ड, राइट, सपोज टू मैट्रिक्स का सम है एंड इज द होल ट्रांसपोज, देन इज इक्वल टू A dash plus B dash, right? This is the property. Now any taking any two matrix and verify this property. So now the fourth property, then AB whole dash, product of two matrix का transpose is equal to B dash into E dash. And now there is another topic is what is the symmetric matrix. So in symmetric matrix, that is the definition of symmetric matrix. A dash is equals to A, that is a symmetric matrix. सपोज किसी मैट्रिक्स का अगर आप ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करते हो सेम मैट्रिक्स से इक्वल आता है तो दैट इज द सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. एंड व्हाट इज द स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स? स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, that means is A dash is equals to minus A. And now is another theorem then important in one question. So then suppose half of A plus A dash and half of A minus A dash की value find करें. तो then in sum is equals to is A. This is the theorem now important in one question. Now exercise 3.3, that is the first, three, second, third, fourth question is the only find transpose matrix, right? For example, A matrix is given, A matrix is given, A dash, sorry, then given is 3, minus 2, 3, 1 and 2. And now given is another matrix B, then minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. And find the value of A plus 2B whole dash. Now this question can be solved by two methods. First method, sir, this is the apply this properties. A plus B 2Q ka whole dash is equal to A dash plus 2B dash, right? And now the second thing, but now it's given A dash. Second thing, now find ki A given is not given, now find is the A dash, again transpose and then find A, right, and find B and A plus 2B find करने के बाद now whole transpose find. This is the second method, but first method is a very easy. A plus 2B dash, now is A dash plus 2B whole dash. Apply this property number third. So now A dash as it is plus 2 constant and B is B dash. Now what are the B dash? That is a transpose matrix of B, right? Then now interchange row to column, column to row. Then now row first row, that is a column, right? Second row, that is a column. So this is B dash. Now A dash is minus 2, 3, 1 and 2 plus 2 constant. B dash is a minus 1, 1, 0, 2. And now minus 2, 3, 1, 2 as it is, any constant multiplied by this matrix, then multiplied by each element, So minus 2, plus 2, 0 and 4. And now adding 2 matrix, then corresponding element add, minus 2, that is a minus 4, right? 3 plus 2, that is a 5, 1 plus 0, that is a 1, and 2 plus 4, that is a 6. This is answer. So student, starting question are very easy, right? Only find transpose matrix. So what is transpose matrix? Then interchange row to column या otherwise column to row. या तो आप कॉलम को रो बना दीजिए या रो को कॉलम, दैट इज ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स. एंड देन न्यू टॉपिक सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. व्हाट इज द सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स? दैट इज a dash is equals to a. And what is the skew symmetric matrix? Then a dash is equals to minus. So for example, for skew symmetric matrix, now a matrix is given, right? 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. This is a 3 into 3 order matrix. And now show that this matrix is a skew symmetric. So what is the definition of a skew symmetric? A dash is equals to minus a. Now find a dash. मैंने a dash find किया, that is a transpose matrix. First row 0 1 minus 1, element of first row. Element of second row minus 1 0 1. Element of third row 1 minus 1 0. This is the transpose matrix, that means a dash. Now is the negative sign is common. Then negative sign is common of all elements. Then 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 0. So this is given matrix. So now a dash is equals to minus c. Hence given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Is another example. Suppose आपसे ये पूछ सकता है कि now find a plus a dash and show that a plus a dash is a symmetric matrix. A is given. So उस condition में भी same, a plus a dash is a, then let b and now b dash is equals to b. So this is a symmetric and b dash is equals to minus b. That is a skew symmetric. Now this is the very very important question. Question number 10. Express. Question number 10. This is the very very important. Expressed as a symmetric, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, right? So now look here, this question is very very important in board exam. Question number 10. Express the following matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. स्टूडेंट आपके सामने क्वेश्चन है, गिवन मैट्रिक्स है, राइट? मैट्रिक्स इज गिवन A इक्वल्स टू 3 5 1 minus 1. हम इस क्वेश्चन को बाद में एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग, नाउ फाइंड A dash. So this is the 2 into 2 order matrix. Now find A dash, that is a 3 5 1 minus 1. Now find half of A plus A dash. And now find half of a minus a dash. आपको दो वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, हाफ ऑफ ए प्लस ए डैश एंड हाफ ऑफ ए. ये क्वेश्चन भी है, कई क्वेश्चन में पूछा है फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ हाफ ऑफ ए प्लस ए डैश. लेट्स सपोज न्यू मैट्रिक्स पी, half as it is, a is given, a dash given, right? Sum of two matrix, then corresponding element add, then 3 plus 3 6, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 5 6, and minus 1 minus 2. So then multiplied by half, so 3 3 3 plus 3 6, 5 1 plus 1 6, 1 plus 5 6, first row first column, then a dash minus 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, and then 3 plus 3 6, first row first column, first row first column, 3 plus 3 6, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 5 6, minus 1 minus 2. And now find half of a plus a dash, that is the multiplied by half, so that is 2 3 are 6 and minus 1. Now this is P, and find P dash. Now change again 3 minus 1 interchange, then P dash is, that is the same P, then P dash equals to P, therefore P is symmetric matrix. Same thing is another new matrix, like Q is a half of A minus A dash, that is a half as it is. Now A minus A dash, this is A, this is A dash. Now 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, and minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, right, multiplied by half, then each element 0, 2, minus 2, 0, and this is Q matrix. Find Q dash. So again interchange row to column, 0, 2, minus 2, 0. But now the negative sign is common, then 0, 2 is positive, minus 2 is negative, this is 0, negative sign common lete हैं, that is the same Q matrix. So now Q dash equals to minus Q. That means Q is skew symmetric matrix. Now look at student, question के according कि this matrix represented sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. तो पहले हमने हाफ ऑफ ए प्लस ए डैश फाइंड किया, इसको पी सपोज किया, पी को सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स प्रूव किया, क्यू को स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक प्रूव किया, और लास्ट में कि सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स यानी पी प्लस क्यू अगर एक इक्वल आता है तो दैट इज अ हेंस प्रूव, राइट. देन पी मैट्रिक्स इज अ 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and now Q matrix is 0 minus 2 2 0 plus 0 minus 2 2 0. Now adding 2 matrix, 3 plus 0 that is a 3, 3 minus 2 that is a 1, sorry, this is plus 3 plus 2 that is a 5, 3 minus 2 that is a 1, and minus 1 0 that is minus 1. So now this is the matrix A. Then hence this matrix is represented sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So student, please solve exercise 3.3 is a very easy exercise, right. Thank you.